all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was watered.
Happy Monday. I am currently on break. I'm starving. I need to eat like right now. I first have to drop off these 2 pair of pants that I ordered. Well, I actually ordered. Just to give a little backstory. I ordered 3 pairs of trousers recently because your girl's been growing out of her stuff. I had to replace a couple of things. But I think I made a mistake with the sizes and accidentally ordered tall instead of regular. I'm 5'5", so I needed a regular. And when I put the pants on, they're definitely for someone who's like very tall. So I'm gonna drop off these pants to get altered. Actually, the pants I'm wearing right now needs to be altered at the bottom too, but I was feeling to wear these and they're not as long as the other 2 pants, so I'm like, let me just wing it. I have to get another pair of trousers altered and they're at home, so I'll just bring that pair and this pair that I'm wearing back. But being that I have 2 out of 4 with me right now, I'm gonna just go drop these off now because I need my pants. I'm tired of like rotating my other bottoms just to have something to wear. So yeah, the weather's really nice. I feel like I always talk about the weather in every video, but the weather does impact your mood, and it's been cold here for so long, so I'm always happy when it's very sunny and when I can step outside with a thin jacket or no jacket at all. So yeah, let's take these stuff over. Ooh, let me get close to you. But yeah, let me take this stuff there to my lady so she can fix my pants. A little bit. This is perfect actually. Yeah, right here is perfect. I just don't want to walk on them. And they got some little chocolate swirl cinnamon thing going on. Hold on, I think I'm gonna order this actually. That looks so good. I'm assuming it's the cookie, not the cookie, that's the cookie right here, chocolate chip. I need to know what this is. I need to get this. Everything just looks so good today. I haven't been to Starbucks in a minute. This blueberry muffin looks good. And then also this cinnamon looking thing looks good. Everything looks so good. I'm gonna take this Greek yogurt. That thing that looks like a Cinnabon, that's a chocolate Cinnabon. This thing right here, excuse me. This right here? I want that. I need that. I need a venti honey citrus mint tea and a ham and Swiss on a croissant. Please. Okay. So I'm fueling up today. I'm fueling up today on breakfast and lunch. I'll probably do a salad later for lunch. I don't know. It depends on how I feel. But I have a long day. But there's monthly meetings. So this year they want the meetings at 5:30 once a month. So that's today. Today's the meeting. That means I'm not gonna get out of work until maybe like 7. Yeah, it's gonna be a long day. So I gotta make sure I fuel up on my nutrition because I don't like being hangry and trying to get through a long ass day. But I'm happy I stopped in Starbucks. I have not been in Starbucks in a minute. Low key, I've been a Dunkin' Donuts bandit because they have certain things in there that I like. But Starbucks low key, she might be making her way back to me. I don't know. It's so beautiful out here today, and I love my outfit. I hope y'all can see me. There's so much sun in the back. Really, I just got on here today to show y'all my outfit today because it's just something about... Hold on, is my thing greasy? Give me a second, hold on. There we go, that's a little bit better. But look at this. Got one of my favorite bags. One of my favorite bags on my shoulder. Brown trousers. Leopard tee. Favorite print ever. This is like a neutral for me. And let me show y'all my shoes. I got like a short heel on. See? You see? I'll be trying to remix my little style of dressing for work since I'm in corporate, but I also am me. You know, I still gotta be me. Oh, let me run. Yeah, I still gotta be me. So I like to add a little razzle dazzle for my look, and I like this look today. The cool tone browns and the blue, yeah, the print. But that's all I got for you today. It's so hot. I'm low-key sleepy. I was up a little bit late last night to make sure I got the previous vlog up. So we shall reconvene on a different day. I'm on my way to go pick up my baby from school, and that's all I got energy for right now. But can we talk about how much the bugs already been coming out? It's so annoying. I saw like at least 10 huge bees within the past 2 days. Like, where did you guys come from? How did y'all... Like, just give us a second. Hold on. We still in April. We just got a little bit of heat. Relax.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking that tug, out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck. Went in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Do 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 do. And you see the hair? I know you see it. Period. I figured, you know, since it's still nippy again in New York, might as well freaking do a silk press. Might as well, right? Today's beautiful. It's actually better now. This morning it was freezing. That's why I have on this thick jacket again. But now it's okay. It's all right, but I feel cozy. Yesterday around this time, when I was on my way home after work, it was freezing. I was cold, very uncomfortable, very much had an attitude walking to my house. It was freezing. But right now it's okay. Sammy has been asking me to bake him cake, so I figured I'd make some cupcakes today. Hopefully we can get to that once we get in the house. I'll probably start doing that first when we get in the house, so that I can bake in the oven while I make dinner. You know, 2 birds, 1 stone. 3 birds, 1 stone. You know, shout out to the parents. Sometimes it'd be 4 birds, 1 stone. Just trying to knock out a couple of things at one time and stay on schedule. What else has been happening? There's this project that I'm working on that's very important to me. And I'm a little bit frustrated because I've been busy, real busy the past couple of days. And I got myself kind of on a schedule with that. So that's been on my mind lately. Yeah, that's been on my mind lately. So, I don't know. Today I feel a little bit, not overwhelmed, but a little bit flustered. You know, like in your mind when you have something planned out that you want to take care of, and there's other things kind of like a little bit important that you have to get out the way first before you do that. That's how I feel right now. Just a little flustered. But I had a good day today. I can't lie. So far, so good. Work has been getting a little bit busy though, because for anyone who works in real estate or property management, you know, between like April and September, it'd be real insane. Like between the move-ins, the move-outs, changes, things that you got to do for the season, and I just need everything to slow down real quick so we can all breathe. That's just how I feel right now. But I hope y'all had a good day. You ready to make cupcakes? Yeah! Yeah! Okay, alright, so we are making some cupcakes. We're using this cake right here. And we're gonna use this icing right here. So let's get started, right?
Yeah. Let's get started. Fire.
We need 3 eggs. Mama uses butter. So we need butter, and then we need
3
butter,
eggs.
but I use
3 eggs.
I use milk.
And now we need 3 eggs. Now we need the last, and we need 3 eggs.
Oh, crack it and put the yolk in there. Tap it nice. Drop it somewhere. Open. Go ahead. Use both your hands. Squeeze it so you open. There you go. Not the shell. We want the shell. Okay, you can't do that. Put your tongue out. Tongue out. You can't lift yolk. Don't do that. It's okay, but you can't do that. Here you go.
That's the one. Don't worry.
Crack it. Go ahead. Go ahead. There we go. Put that in there.
All of it?
Yes. Cupcake time.
You're so funny.
Wait, watch
I
out.
want to see you in the video. Stand on that.
Cupcake time. Cupcake time. That's your butter.
Cupcake time. Cupcake. You don't want to eat it
No. Stir.
because it's not cooked. So I want to
It's hot. Okay. Hey Google, set timer for 18 minutes.
Got it. 18 minutes. And that's starting now.
Baked a little bit big because the batter was enough for 24 cupcakes. Obviously, I only have 1 pan. But they're gonna cool down and then we're gonna ice them. Yay!
Yay!